A typical day for me includes doing equipment operation, inspections, tasks that deal with sewer or water repairs, and street sanding and snow removal.
I nominated Matthew because he is an outstanding worker. Matthew always wants the best for everybody and the safest outcome for all of his coworkers.
One example of a safety improvement that I made was recognizing that a tool was too heavy for the task and needed to be lighter in order to make the job more efficient as well as less strenuous on the body.
The tool Matthew made is essentially made out of just an iron bar. We use it to break up sand in the sanding truck. The tool that he made is of a lighter material, which is easier to use for all of his coworkers.
Some people are not quite as strong as others, so you kind of want to cater to them as well so that they can also perform the task without strain.
Matthew is never afraid to speak up about a situation. Matthew's always also the first one to help somebody in that situation. So if somebody reaches out for help, he's there right with them to rectify the situation and lead by example by saying there is a safer way to do this, there's an easier way to do this. And he's one of those coworkers that everybody looks up to and leans on.